Mama! What are we going to do today?
Yes.
Cake!
Yes. It is strong, nice, yes, and normal.
Dun, dun, dun.
Wow. It open. Wow.
What color are we gonna put first? White, purple, or pink? Which one you want?
Paper.
Okay, we're gonna put there.
Go cakes. Go cakes.
Oh. Oh. Wow, this is-
Cheese. 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 Cheese.
What color? What color you want to put? You want to put pink or white?
Cheese.
Okay, come on. Okay.
This is yummy.
Of course, it's yummy. Let's eat it.
Very easy. Very easy. Cheese. 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 Let's eat it. Cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
Oh, it's hard. Check hard. Okay, next color. Let's put white.
Okay. Now we have it. One second. One cheese. One cheese.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have it?
Yeah. Just.
You spread like this, oh, like this. Come on, hands.
Okay.
Oh.
She giving itchy. Mom is itchy. Mama, you
Oh, you do
can.
it, you do it. Ito na yun. Yan, dyan ka lang. Cute.
What did you do?
Sprinkles na tayo, sprinkles.
Yay!
Which one you want? Yellow, pink, or colorful?
Yellow.
Ano? Wow!
Pink.
Okay, tayo. Mikey! Are you happy?
Yeah, I just really enjoy it.
Happy birthday to you, Mon. Ano picture cake? Nice.
Yeah, she's doing.
Coloring.
She's doing.
Coloring your cake. Okay lang.
Wow.
Wow!
Yeah,
Want to spread it? Spread.
yeah.
Purple cake.
Yummy.
This is the finished product. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Does it look nice?
Yes, it's really pretty.
Yum. Yummy.
Yeah. It's yummy. It's yum candy.
You like it?
Yeah.
Are you happy with your cake?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Happy
birthday
to
you.
Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday, Aliona. Happy birthday to you. Me. Happy birthday to me. Make a wish. Make a wish. You have a wish already? Okay, look your candle. One. Yay!
I'm happy. Mommy happy, Georgie.